Hey guys, welcome to Pepperina's World. Today I'm using the Revair. It took me a while to figure out what I was doing wrong, but since it was blinking slowly, that meant my filter wasn't in correctly. So as soon as I did that, this is what happened. It's now working. So I hope y'all can hear me. I already put a little bit of this Play It Straight. I don't even know if y'all can see that. And I detangled my hair. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in. I think it's on cold. Maybe I should put it on warm. Wow, that's almost straight enough. Almost. It looks like I need more oil. It looks a little dry. Okay, put in a little bit of this anti-frizz binding serum oil, and I raised the little thing to 3 because it was on 2, so we will see how straight it gets. And since I didn't have a timer, I was just counting since I'm using my phone to record. Just the bottom looks dry. Let's start again. Uh-oh. There it goes. Wow. Wow, it's straight, but I don't know, it just feels dry. That is so weird. It straightened my hair. My hair normally takes forever to blow dry. OMG. That is straight, but it's just dry. What the mess? Let me do the rest. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This is not the way the people's hair looked in the video. I mean, it's straight compared to my curly hair, but it is so frizzy. And like, I don't know which dial is what. I think in between is cool, and then down is like a lower temperature of hot, and then up is the highest heat, I think. So I'm gonna have to find the booklet and see, because I was sitting there and I think it was on high and I was going longer because my hair wasn't drying, but it's like super dry. So I keep putting oil. And then up here I did cool, which is still damp. I don't know. I don't like the way it looks. I thought I was just gonna be able to buy this and not have to flat iron my hair, but it looks like I am. I guess I better use my timer. Okay, so my hair is blow dried out. I look like it. Yeah. I don't know what I did wrong. So I guess I'll try this another day. But yeah, I don't know. This is my frizzy, fuzzy results. I mean, technically, my hair was blow dried. I don't even know what time I started. I finished it really fast, but I fried this side. It seems I fried this side more than I did my right side. So me. I'm ready for Halloween. Wow. I mean, yeah. This is not how I like my hair to be straightened. And that's because this side, I kept putting cool. And I would like hold it for 30 seconds, take it out, comb my hair again, do it another 30. And then I put it on, put it on warm. This side, it was basically on hot, the highest heat. It's soft now because I put a lot of avocado oil after I blow dried it. So I'm gonna flat iron this. Oh, there's knots. Let's see what happens. So yeah, I don't know what I did wrong. Stay tuned. Okay, hey everybody. So I am currently flat ironing my hair. This took 14 minutes for this side. So I'm assuming this raggedy side is gonna take 14 minutes also. It's all fluffy. Oh, that looks kind of pretty, kind of wavy. It looks pretty on camera, but I don't like the way it looks and feels in person. So what I will say, it's never taken me 14 minutes to flat iron my hair after blow drying it. So maybe I will keep the blow dryer. Except I don't know what I did differently. I don't like the feeling of my hair. It feels dry. I think I may have burnt it on this side. We'll see how this side feels. But I will be back. And I am going to try to blow dry my hair again with the Revair dryer. It's the reverse dryer. So let me go ahead and section this side so it doesn't get tied up with the other side with my Revair rubber band. And I am going to flat iron this side with my hot tool flat iron. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am officially done straightening my hair. It took me 32 minutes to re-straighten everything. Yeah. 32 minutes is half the time it takes me to straighten my hair after I blow dry it. So I guess the blow dryer is worth it in that aspect. I still need to figure it out because this side is a lot softer than this side. But this side, my hair is a lot thinner. It's not a lot of frizziness like this side. And this side, I mean, it looks fuller than this side. Well, I don't even know if y'all can tell from the camera. But this side feels a lot thinner than this side. This side, I use the high heat. This one, I use cool and the low heat. The tension, I ended up using a 2 after all. And then this side, I think the highest I went up was a 3 in the tension. So, yeah. But I will practice again with Revair and see what happens. I guess I'll record another video. Yeah. See you guys later. I'm tired. Bye.